In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to copy and paste our visible cells only, not the ones that you've hidden. So let's get started. First, I'm going to walk you through a super common mistake that I see people make. This is when you highlight particular cells and then try to copy and paste them. You'll see what happens. So in this example, we have our raw data in columns A through D. We have the items, the order amounts, the order date, and the sales amount. And here on our order report, as you can see, we only have field for items and sale amount. So we don't need columns B and C. So what we can do to hide columns B and C is we can click on the column letter heading of the first column we want to hide, hold down our Shift key, and click on to the next heading. And this is how we can quickly highlight B and C. And now to hide them, we can either right-click to those highlighted columns and click on Hide. Or my favorite shortcut is Control and the 0 key on your keyboard. And that will go ahead and hide those two columns. Now, this is where the common mistakes come in. You might be like, all right, we got all the items and the sales amount. Matches the order report, item in the sale amount. Let's go in here. Let's highlight this data and then Control+C or right-click and copy it. And then let's click into cell G4 and do Control+V or right-click and paste it. And oh no, as you can see, it took our hidden columns there and it actually pasted them into our cells. So what we can do here to avoid this is I'm going to do Control-Z on my keyboard to undo, and this is where we can get fancy. So I'm going to highlight our data here from A4 through D13 with our columns hidden there, already in B and C. And now we're going to navigate on our home ribbon to the Find and Select button. And here we're going to select the Go To Special option, or the shortcut on your keyboard is Control-G. All right, now we're going to select the option that says Visible Cells Only, or the shortcut for this on your keyboard is the letter Y. And when we click Enter or OK, it will copy in that selection, and now here's the trick. Without clicking anywhere else, or it will unselect all of what you just selected, if we do Control-C on our keyboard or right-click, copy as you can see now, it kind of looks like there are two different pieces highlighted there. Right? From column A to column D, got those little dancing ants, the green lines around there going up against each other, showing that there are two different pieces here. With that copied, we're going to click into cell and do Control-V or right-click paste. And now those two will paste in nicely for us. If you'd like to reformat, you can go ahead and highlight our table and come over to the Borders option on the Home menu and click back on those thick outside borders. And there we have our data nicely pasted into our order report. So this is a great one to remember. If we're going through your data and there are certain items that you don't need, whether they're columns or rows and you want to copy that data and move it somewhere else, it's a smart idea to hide whatever you need and then go to that Visible Cells Only option and then copy and paste from there.